Hello, today we will be showing you how to make a paper squishy.
This squishy is easy to make and you can carry it around anywhere at any time without taking up space, and it helps some people reduce stress, such as kids at school.
The materials you need to make a paper squishy are paper, something to draw with, scissors, color materials, tape or glue works, or cotton or paper bags for stuffing.
Let's get started with the process.
First, you need a piece of paper and fold it in half.
Now find a design you want to draw on your squishy and draw it, but we are doing My Melody for now.
Next, you can color and jazz it up all you want.
Then you're ready to cut out. You can cut out a square around it, or you can cut the shape however you want.
Now you're ready to tape or glue the sides and the bottom. You want to take small pieces and tape the sides and then cut out any extra pieces. After you tape, you can start add stuffing to the top and put it inside the squishy. You could use a paper bag, cotton balls, or Kleenex. But for today, we're going to be using Kleenex. You don't want to tape all of it. You want to keep the top a little bit open so you have enough room to put stuffing in. It's easier if you break up your Kleenex or tissue into smaller pieces so it's easier to add the stuffing. After you think there's enough stuffing in the squishy, you can get ready to tape the top and any openings on the side. Lastly, you can tape the top of the paper and tape the front to make it look nice and laminated for your final product.
Here's your final product.